In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable's new interface permissions. If you're building dashboards, editor views, or stakeholder portals in Airtable, interface permissions help you control exactly how collaborators can interact with the data shown there. This keeps your workflows safer and clearer while still giving people the access they need. Start by opening your Airtable base and heading to the Interfaces tab. This is where all your custom interfaces live, separate from the underlying tables and fields. If you've already designed an interface for your team or clients, you'll see it listed here. The permissions you set apply to how people use this interface, so think of it as the rulebook for this specific experience. Next, select the interface you want to manage. Be sure you're choosing the correct one if you have multiple interfaces serving different audiences. It's common to have an internal editing interface for your team and a simpler viewing interface for stakeholders, so it's worth double-checking you're working in the right place. To update who can do what, click Share and then Manage Permissions. Depending on your layout, you might also see a settings gear icon that takes you to the same place. Both paths lead to the Permissions panel where you'll set access for collaborators. This is where you'll match people's responsibilities with the right level of control. You'll see three core options. Can Edit Records gives collaborators full access to update data through the interface. This is ideal for teammates who need to add, modify, or correct information directly in the views and forms you've designed. Can Comment is read only with the ability to leave feedback. It's perfect when you want input without risking unintended changes. Reviewers can highlight issues or ask questions right where the data lives. Can View only restricts collaborators to viewing the interface without any changes or comments. Use this for stakeholders who just need visibility, like executives, partners, or clients who should see the latest status without interacting with the content. As you assign levels, think about the minimum access needed for each person or group. Editing rights should go only to those who truly maintain the data. Commenting is great for collaboration without altering records. Viewing keeps things clean and safe for broader audiences. When you're done, save your changes. Your selections take effect immediately, so your interface experience will reflect the permissions you set. If you ever need to adjust access as roles evolve, return to Manage Permissions and update as needed. With these settings in place, your Airtable interfaces stay secure, reliable, and tailored to every collaborator.